Three, two, one.
Hey Mary, it's me, Yvonne. I'm just going to go ahead and read through my response to you. Defining science. Crucial components of science. In this week's discussion, you mentioned several crucial components of science that I will address in this response. Critically thinking. In your post, you discuss how your understanding of science relates to the NGSS through the idea that concepts should put students in the best position to think critically and ask many questions. The first crucial science component apparent in your discussion post is critical thinking. Finley describes critical thinking as seeing both sides of an issue, ability to use reason, reflective and reasonable thought process, and self-guided, self-disciplined thinking. Finley provides critical thinking framework which lists 6 abilities critical thinkers obtain. They are 1. Understanding logical connections between ideas. 2. Identify, construct, and evaluate arguments. 3. Detect inconsistencies and common mistakes in reasoning. 4. Solve problems systematically. 5. Identify relevance and importance of ideas. And 6. Reflect on justification of one's own beliefs and values. It is apparent how crucial critical thinking is in science and in life. Asking questions. The next crucial science component evident in your discussion post is asking questions. According to Notch, scientists begin by exploring the questions about nature that engage them. This component is not only crucial for science, it is also crucial for critical thinking. Asking questions is a science and engineering practice, a dimension of the NGSS. Notch informs us that without the process of the science practices, asking questions being the first, there could be no ideas. And then lastly, my the class questions and answers. The first is, what would be the most beneficial aspect of the NGSS if it was available to you during K through 12? As you mentioned in your post, the focus of science in the past was memorization instead of understanding and critical thinking. If the NGSS were available to me during my K through 12 years, I might have developed appropriate social emotional development. I also might have obtained skills and abilities needed to achieve academic and life success. It wasn't until a few years ago that I barely began to work towards these skills and abilities that I should have developed as a child. I hope this video was helpful and I look forward to seeing you in the discussions. Bye.